Hello guys, and I am doing another video. I need to do something real quick. A second. Just let me close that. And turn on this. Actually, right now that lighting's good because my window's open. But anyway, I'm doing another video, and this video will be picking a lock. Yes, as you can see here. This is a medal I won. A trophy I won in 2007. And then when I was little, I put a fake handcuff on it. So, it really annoys me. Really does. So, today, in this video, I'm going to try and, oh my god, I look like, oh my god, this lighting though, and the light's too strong. Look like a girl from here. Hey. Alright, but no. That's not the point of the video. The point of the video is to pick a lock. Yes. I'm going to pick the lock. This lock right here. Right there. Turn. Alright. I'm gonna take you guys to the stuff that I'm gonna use. This is, by the way, the stuff right here is my little brother's. Don't tell him. Shh. It's a hand he bit off. But I'm gonna be using a thing from a pen, a fake pistol, a fake RPG missile, fake gun, fake shovel, and this fake hand. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys with me. Alright, first off, we're going to start with this. And if I pick it, I will do it again and see which one. See which one is the better one. Because, Alright. Let's do this. Okay. Let's do this. Alright. So, fake gun. Alright. As you can see, alright. So I need to do it this way because my camera isn't that good, so. Will this work? Hopefully it does. It's like sticking an actual key in there. Oh! I did it. Except, I did it the wrong way. Poop. Did it the wrong way. I forgot it's on something. I did it the wrong way. Look, I did it the wrong way. It would be unlocked, except it's stuck. Don't want to do that. He's gonna put your fit. Alright, that didn't work. But don't worry, we have other items, so don't worry. In here because we share a room. It's a good thing since he's out with his friends. It's a good thing. He had a party with his friends and my mom. But anyway. Next up we have this thing for a pen. As you can see right there, there's a wide one. Dusty. Can't see a thing now, haha. But anyway, let's do this. Oh, it unlocked! It unlocked! What the? What? You'll spin my head right. Okay, then I'm gonna spin around. You'll spin my head right around. round. When you go down, baby, go down, down. You'll spin my head right round, right round. When you go down, baby, right round, round. Alright. Well, now what we're gonna do, if I had a connecting one, then I would put myself in this handcuff and wait, could I actually do that right now? Oh my god, I can't. Alright. This is like the ultimate challenge. If I don't do this, then I guess I'm done. Donezo. Come on, please work. Please work. I want to look stupid on the internet. Ah! Oh my god, I swear to god if I'm stuck like this. Oh god, it hurts. I feel so stupid right now for doing this. Why did I think this was a good idea, huh? I picked it once, and now I want to try and pick it again. I swear to god, I'm not stupid. Oh my god. No, I gotta do something real quick. Just let it be. Oh my god. I got it. Yes. Oh my god, look at my hand. There's a mark on it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Alright, I got it off. So, yeah. I was trying to use my phone charger. Wait, that's on the ground. Alright, there we go. Well, I'm stupid. Where'd it go? Where'd the pen go? Oh, found it. Well, we found our winner. Yep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be posting next week, so look out for that. Actually, no, I may post tomorrow. Actually, I'm going to post a video right after this one, so haha. Alright, give it classy. See you guys later.